Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will compare Lovable, Bolt and Cursor in 2025. So these three tools are making big waves in AI development and workflow automation. But which one is the best for you? Let's just break that down in today's video. So first, I'm going to be talking about Lovable. So if you want to come here, you can just either click on the link in the description or you can search for lovable.dev. Over here you are going to see this type of section where you can basically type your prompt. So Lovable is basically focused on the AI powered app building. It helps you create the applications quickly with a mix of no code and AI assisted code generation. It is great for startups and individuals who want to ship the prototypes fast without any heavy coding. So next in the list is Bolt. So the domain for Bolt is bolt.new. You can search for it in the browser of yours. So Built is actually built for automating your workflows. It connects apps, APIs, and data pipelines in a highly visual way. Think of it as a developer-friendly automation engine that is ideal for teams that are managing complex operations or building scalable backed systems. Next in the list is Cursor. So Cursor is an AI first code editor. It takes your prompts and it helps you generate, debug and refactor the code directly in the editor. If you are a developer, this feels like VS Code but with ChatGPT 5 backed in, which is perfect for coding faster and smarter. Now you must be wondering which one actually fits your needs. So I would like to say that you can pick Lovable if your goal is fast app creation and prototyping. You can go with Bolt if you want to automate the complex workflows and data integrations. Or you can pick Cursor if you are a developer who is looking to supercharge your coding with AI. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.